Annyeonghaseyo 여러분! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, we will go to Jeju Island! And as you can see, I'm packing and wearing the clothes that we will bring to Jeju Island. Actually, we will just stay there for only 2 days, so gusto ko sana na konting mga damit lang yung dadalhin. But in my case, I need to bring a lot of clothes for baby dahil alam niyo naman pag baby, kailangan lagi pinapalitan ng damit and kailangan marami din tayong dalhin na diapers and bottles for milk. Hindi pwedeng kulang-kulang yung mga dadalhin natin lalo na pag nagta-travel para hindi hassle. And the next day, we're here at the car and we're going now to Gunsan Airport. Ilang minutes lang naman travel going to airport dahil hindi naman madalas traffic dito kahit na halos lahat ng mga tao dito ay may sasakyan. Dahil maraming pwedeng daanan and bukod doon, meron din silang ginagamit na neighbor map application for you to easily get where you want to go. And a few minutes, we early arrive at the airport so nagantay pa tayo dyan ng ilang minuto until we're going inside dahil napakaaga natin dumating. And now, nakasakay naman na tayo sa airplane. Only an hour and a half. We arrive at Jeju International Airport. Mabilis lang naman yung process ng pagkuha ng maleta kahit na maraming tao and kumain muna kami dyan ng lunch before we go to Ekland. So, that's the Ekland. Napakaganda. Sobra. And kahit na maraming tao, worth it. Mga makikita mo dito. Syempre, may nakita kaming malaala pala siyang coffee shop. Ayan. Kahit na sobrang haba ng nilalakad mo, worth it talaga lahat. At napakaraming activities, shops, para pumili ng mga souvenirs. And ayan, napakaganda ng mga bulaklak. Grabe, ma-amaze ka talaga dito sa Hekulan. Isang stop pa lang to ha, pero worth it na agad yung pagta-travel mo. Ayan, ang daming mga stuffed toys, keychains, and everything. And syempre may coffee shop pa rin. Ayan, napakarami rin turista dito na nagbibisit. Ayan na yung mga flowers. Grabe. Meron din sila mga horse. May mga kabayo din dito na pwede mo malapitan, pwede mo pakainin.